Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Why not add this awesome weighted bench to your home setup so that you can really complete your workouts at home? This is from TYRSEN Fitness and it's made out of really good high quality materials, making it perfect for your home setup. The bench came in one box, but it came with really easy to understand instructions so that we could put it all together. Once it's together, and even while putting it together, you can see that the materials for this weighted bench are really good quality. The bench itself holds up to 800 pounds, and you can really see that in the metals that it's made out of. They're really well fit together, and I really like the incline bench. It's fully adjustable with 6 different settings. I also really like the padding on this bench. All of the materials are nice and padded, but they're also good quality, so it doesn't feel like it could rip easily. Rather, everything feels comfortable and really easy while you're working with it. The preacher bench at the end is nice and wide, making it perfect for leg or arm exercises. And although it doesn't come with a weight plate, I do like that all that I need is ready to go for when I get one, and you can use that part to do your leg exercises, you can do arm exercises. It's really well made and well equipped to be able to do everything from home. The piece itself also has wheels, so if you're working in a small area in your fitness area, you can easily move it around and you can adjust it as needed. As someone that really loves doing fitness at home, I'm really impressed with the qualities as well as the construction of this weight bench. It's really easy to use and easy to figure out, and it really allows you to be able to do everything you need to do right at your home. But that's just my point of view.